This video is going over number 14 from 6.4 day 1. And we have to simplify this using exponent rules and all these fraction exponents and all that stuff. So the first trick is to realize this fraction, you actually subtract the exponents. And if you forget that, I kind of just do a simpler one. Like if I had x to the 5th over x squared, and I expanded it, x to the 5th would look like that, and x squared would look like that. And that's a reminder that you just subtract the exponents, right? Because those are going to cancel out. You end up with x cubed, so you just subtract. So here we have to do, essentially on the inside of this, sorry I don't have any space, but on the inside I have to do x to the 3rd minus -1. So we get x to the 4th. So the inside just cleans up to x to the 4th. Okay, and then that's raised to the -1/4 power. So power of a power is multiplying those two fractions. So I just got to do 4 over 1 times -1/4. Okay, and that becomes, sorry, that's a bad one there. That's going to become x, multiply the numerators, -4, multiply the denominators, +4. So I get -4/4, which is x to the -1. X to the -1 or negative exponent just means flip it and make it positive. So I'm going to do the reciprocal there and get x to the 1st. So it's 1 over x to the 1st is the right answer. Thanks for watching.